Honorable Shri Rahul Gandhi ji, Member of Parliament and Vice President of Indian National Congress, to please come and share his thoughts with our audience.
Honorable Vice President Mohammad Hamid Ansari ji, Honorable Governor Wajubhai Rudabhai Wala ji, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah ji, PCC President Dr. G. Parmeshwar ji, Oscar Fernandez ji, Suman Dubey ji, Neelab Mishra ji, senior leaders of the Congress Party, ladies and gentlemen, friends, I'd like to welcome all of you here today. Vora ji is not here, it was mentioned earlier, and there is another gentleman who is not here, who I also remember, who is Mr. Murli Deora, who helped bring National Herald to where it is today. Some days, day before yesterday, I went to the Golden Temple and I was told of a very powerful concept in Sikhism. It is the concept of Piri Miri. Piri means the power of truth, and Miri means the truth of power. And a Congress worker explained to me how the two swords in Sikhism represent Piri and Miri. And where those two swords cross, where Piri and Miri touch each other, is justice. I found that to be a very interesting and powerful concept. What is happening in India today is a disbalance between these two forces. The power of truth is being completely replaced by the truth of power. And anybody who attempts to say the truth, who attempts to stand for the truth, is pushed aside in different forms. Dalits are beaten up, minorities are frightened, journalists are threatened, bureaucrats are threatened. Madhya Pradesh, a couple of days back, the policeman himself is saying he is being forced to do something he doesn't want to do. I asked him, I'm a citizen of India, I'm allowed to come into Madhya Pradesh. On what basis are you stopping me? Is there a law which you're applying? And he looked at me and said, no, there is no law I'm applying. So I said, why are you stopping me? Because I have been told to. That is basically what is being done in India. A couple of days ago, I wanted to go to Uttar Pradesh. I wanted to go and meet some people there. I was stopped at the border of Uttar Pradesh and told you can't go into Uttar Pradesh. Few days ago, I went to Madhya Pradesh. I was stopped at the border of Madhya Pradesh. I was told you can't go into Madhya Pradesh. And when I asked why, under what law, the answer was no. There is no law. We're not applying a law on you. You're just not allowed to go. Please turn around and go back. So this is the India we are living in. A India where power will simply manufacture the truth. And everybody knows what the truth is, but they're scared to say it. A famous Soviet poet once said, when truth is replaced by silence, the silence is a lie. And that is what the government is trying to do. they're forcing everyone into silence. And the National Herald has a spirit. It's a very strong spirit. It is not going to be silent. The editor came to me some time back, and I told him, I said, there might be times when you want to say things against the Congress party, against me, against some of our ideas. I want you to be absolutely comfortable, and I want you to say these things because it is important that we hear them. So that is the spirit that we expect from the National Herald. Speak the truth. Do not be silenced. Do not be scared. And there's a huge opportunity for you. Thousands and thousands of journalists in this country are not being allowed to write what they want. I meet them and they tell me that we are not allowed to write what we want. You should open your doors to these people. You have free recruits all over the country. There has never been a time to find capable, honest journalists as there is today. So I wish National Herald and all of you a great future. And please speak the truth and do not be scared of speaking the truth. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rahul ji. It is